So today is 6th September 2024, and guys, I will give you a quick review about the market. As you can see here today, we have a really big news coming out, NFP news, and also CAD employment and employment rate. So basically, as we know, USD was the last month was really showing weakness, and today, as you can see, the forecast showing here is for non-prime. Previous it was 114,000, and now we are expecting 164,000. Also for average hourly earnings per month, previously it was 0.2, and now we are expecting 0.3. Also, here we have unemployment rate, guys, in USD pairs, and previously it was 4.3%, and now the forecast showing that it will be 4.2%. So basically, actual, we will forecast how it's gonna be affect the market and what kind of pairs that we can trade for today. Also, we have a news coming out for CAT, both for unemployment and for employment change and employment rate. Previously was showing 6.4, and now we are expecting a higher number, which is 6.5%. So first, let me show you the analysis for both USD and CAD. So let's start with USD indices here. As you can see here, guys, starting from July, the 1st of July until right now, we were selling USD. So it shows the chart that it was weak, and so actually our target for what we're the position that we're expecting for USD was here. So basically we can see here that it's really becoming near, and now we are getting if we look the chart here, we can see for today, we can see here the price shows that in this level is a strong level. Why I'm saying that? Because we can see here the market pull back here, and now we are expecting, guys, the price not to break this area, and we are expecting for USD to be stronger in this position. So basically, we will see how it end up. But for today, we are expecting for the NFP news to be positive. Okay, as they are already forecasting the news, we are expecting positive. Also, let me show you with CAT. CAT is the same for USD because they have a positive correlation for sometimes 100%. So you can see even the structure is the same for these two pairs. So here as well, we are expecting CAT not to break this area. It is possible until the news to reach here, and then we are expecting stronger for CAT as well. So also, guys, I want to show you the here I collected some pairs that I think that we can trade for today in the years. Let me start with Euro USD. Okay, so if I show you in daily time frame here, so USD, guys, we get Euro USD, we can see here. I was expecting for Euro USD to reach this the price to reach this area, but it didn't happen. Here we have another position here. We can see it breaks here, and then the price pull back in this area. For today, it is possible 100%, as we are expecting USD to be strong. That means Euro USD will be the opposite of dollar. So let me show you for 1 hour time frame here, guys. So as we draw our trend lines, we can see here the price is kind of correction at the moment. So if Euro USD before the news breaks here in this trend line, that means we are selling for Euro USD. Okay, is it possible? Is it possible for Euro USD to reach this area, which now left for 155 pp's. Okay, actually quite possible. Okay, but as the price moves right now, we are expecting for sell. Okay, so until if the price breaks this area, guys, until which area can you hold? Okay, so at least 200 pp's you can get for guaranteed if that happens. Okay, if that happens, because here is also an high value area, so be careful here. So if the price comes here, like, you will get 200 pips. That's what we are expecting for euro USD. Okay, so let me go with also JBP USD, guys. Here I was analyzing JBP indices. Okay, so let me show you for JBP indices as well. So for for our time frame, yes, you can see here, I was expecting JBP to remain as well weak until these areas. Okay, and now exactly it goes as we analyze it. So we will see what happens in the market. So be careful for this high volatility news, guys. So here is the JBP USD. Okay, JBP USD at the moment, you can see it didn't break the trend line. Okay, so it's the same as for Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD and JBP USD always moves the same direction. Be careful. Okay, so if it happens as well, you can get 151 pips. So, and we can see in this trend line how the price ranges in here. So let's see what happens, as well as we said, like, the price to reach here 91 pips left. So but we don't know what the market will come up, but like 90% we are expecting for these pairs to be weak as well. Let me analyze you guys as well for gold. Okay, so gold, as we know, like, it was a strong starting from 8th of August. So that means the whole month was strong for gold. So what can we expect for today? How can we trade for gold? Okay, so after we draw our trend lines, you can see here we got multiple touches in our trend line, and now it moves the third one here. Okay, is it possible for gold to break this area? I don't think so. Why? Because we can see how many times it retests. And let me go you here for our the time frame. And now you can see here gold is moving pi. So before the news, at least we are expecting gold to touch here in this area. After that, we will sell off. Okay, so always with the market and until you are getting a clear entry. Okay, so after you get an impulse, if you get a correction here for 15 time, and then we are selling for gold. So why I'm saying for that, guys, always we know that gold has a positive coloration. So let me show you here. Gold has a positive coloration with gold euro. So here, if I analyze you gold euro, let me show you here gold euro. So yes, you can see here even the structure is the same, guys. Okay, why I am choosing euro, why I am relying on euro, gold euro, because the structure of this price shows more clear sign compared to gold itself. Okay, so here we have a strong area that we sell off gold for thousands pips. Okay, for gold euro, and now here in our trend line we can get the same it multiple types inside in our trend line. So basically now before the news, okay, before the news, the price is moving now in a buy direction. So is it possible for gold euro to also to touch this third touch? Yes, 100% is possible. Okay, after that we can sell off the price if after it touch that trend line and we get a clear information. Okay, clear entry, and you can hold until these 90 areas. So actually we are just implementing our strategy into the real market, guys. Okay, just be careful for that. So let's continue with our analysis. If that happen and we get a gold for entry, okay, until which area that you can hold. Basically, you can hold gold until these areas, guys. Look here, 490 pips. Okay, 490 pips, which is quite amazing. Also, let me analyze you guys for USD CHF. Also, USD CHF is showing really amazing pure price action. Okay, that's why I also add on the watch list. So before I analyze, let me show you for CHF index analysis. Okay, come here for our time frame. Basically, this one shows a quite lovely structure, guys. Okay, so here we can see we get an impulse. Okay, and now the price here is for large correction. Okay, actually now what we are expecting for this USD CHF is to also to remain weak as well. Okay, we are just expecting another down continuation. Okay, just like this movement and then correction and then continuation. Okay, so that is why we see here for pure action that CHF remains weak, and that's why we are expecting, guys, for USD CHF to be strong. Okay, why I am saying that? Look here for the left side. What do you see here? You can see here is a strong area that we pied for USD CHF for thousands and thousands pips. Okay, so that's why now we are expecting again for CHF to be a strong buy. And here it shows that as we already expecting USD to be strong, so that we have a powerful confirmation that we can actually take this trade and enter in amazing area. Okay, so how can we trade? If we see here, we can see here the price touched multiple times in our trend line, and now is the third touch. Okay, so for me basically I'm not expecting USD CHF to touch here. Why? 46 pips is like lovely, but I don't think that it will break this trend line. Okay, so everything can happen, but as we at least showing here, for me actually the only way I trade is that, for example, if the price is here, after it touch here and we get another um, impulse and then we break this trend line and we get correction, that is the time I am buying this trade. Okay, and you are putting your stop loss below this area. Okay, if you get the entry here and then you put your stop loss somewhere here, okay, so that means you are getting like 30 or 35 pips, and boom, if your trade becomes success and or wins, so you can see you are winning 328 pips. Okay, always, guys, trade what you see in your eyes. Okay, so this is another amazing pair. Let me continue with USD JPY. Okay, USD JPY is the same structure. Okay, same structure in USD CHF. Okay, so here I can show you actually for USD JPY which pairs it has a coloration with. Probably we can see here. Look, guys, look. USD JPY and USD CHF, they have a positive coloration for 97.2%. So, oh my goodness, this is just shows you that you got into an amazing, okay, amazing to perfect pair. This is a gift, guys. Okay, basically, and look here, 766 BBs for our target in USD JPY. Even the price is the same and everything. Okay, so basically, and now we are expecting, guys, to buy for USD JPY in these areas. Okay, which is 100 and almost near to 800 babies. So let's see how it's gonna end up for these as well. OUD cat. The reason why I put OUD cat on the list, but I'm not recommending you to today um, to trade this one because we have a more strong pairs compared to this one. Okay, because for me, like basically, I sell it off for OUD cat last weeks, and now is already remained sell, and that is why I am thinking still it will push down for today. Okay, after it break again in these areas, yes, we can get another entry until our target, which is 119 pips. Okay, so that's why I add on the list. After it touches in here, that means we are closing our profit. Also here for JPP cat, I add on the watch list. Okay, but basically JPP cat was amazing. Buy it in this area and look how lovely, 403 pips. I shared it with you guys this for live trade. And also here we now getting another downtrend because for today, if the if cat becomes stronger, that means JBP cat we are selling as well. Okay, and now you can see how lovely it moves the price action. So only trade after it breaks this area, then that means we are selling for JPP cat. So that's why I add on the list those who want to trade. Lastly, guys, I want to show you for USD cat. So USD cat, guys, let me show you here for daily time frame. Yes, so this pair is really interesting. Even as the news coming out for both USD and CAD, sometimes this one remains and move. Be careful, okay? Like this one is not moving as other pairs you expect when the news came out. Why? Because if the CAD and USD pairs their positive news comes, sometimes this one kinda becomes a corrective movement. Okay, so but basically we set it off for CAD in this area, and now it's running more than 435 pips. So for today, it is possible get also to remain sell in these areas, which is 119 pips. Okay, so the target we are expecting for USD CAD is this area. Okay, that's why it's still for remaining sell. So that's it, guys, for the news that I wanted to share with you for today. So always be careful the market, and always whenever you are entering the trade, you use stop loss, guys. Be careful. You never know what happens in the market. We are just forecasting on the price actions here. So of course our analysis 90% becomes positive as we analyze it. Okay, I'm always sharing with you with the true and honest in knowledge in this channel, guys. So I hope you will like it for this video, and don't forget to subscribe in our channel in order to get for future videos. That's it for today, guys. See you.